I am SIGH. Live, love, laugh at first sight.
Vegetables. The exhibition's open every day from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. and Friday from 2.
The love.
So we went to a Jeff Koons art exhibition here in Qatar, and so glad that it was free. And when you enter the exhibition, you are given this map to guide you on where to go. So number 1 is this very young photo of Jeff Koons, and then you just follow the numbers 2, 3, and there are a total of 16 rooms showcasing the various massive and artsy and very cool exhibition of Mr. Jeff Koons. And after the exhibition, my next intention was of course to shop at the gift shop, specifically for pencils. So let's check out what I bought. Of course, let's begin with the pencils. So I got two of these silver pencils with erasers, silver colored, pre-sharpened, and it has a Jeff Koons print. The color of the erasers matches with the color of the text on the pencils. However, I was just so careless that the pink version that I bought is not so good quality, because as you can see, the Jeff Koons text is being scratched and the silver coating also has some scratch. Actually, the blue one I replaced it, but I did not notice the pink. My bad. And another one, I bought this eraserless pencils. It is still from the Jeff Koons designs, but this time it has a Doha print. So this is a souvenir, an exact souvenir for the exhibition here in Doha, the Jeff Koons exhibition in Doha. So I bought 3 pencils and each pencil costs 10 Qatar Riyals. The next thing that I bought is this postcard and it costs 5 Qatar Riyals. And I bought this orange balloon dog. This is a clear folder and this is specifically made for, oh, they put a sticker. And they put a sticker here to indicate that this is sold and available at Qatar museums. And also some information about the illustration, the work of art by Mr. Jeff Koons. And I bought this notebook originally 40 and then it was on sale at 25 Qatar